Welcome to our course on Dietrich Bonhoeffer and the Life of Discipleship. We are starting a journey together of learning, discovery, exploration, and application about what it means to follow Jesus Christ with all aspects of our lives. As we learn more about the life and thought of Bonhoeffer, our hope is that you will encounter a deeper calling and connection to your own life of discipleship. Now, the course is organized into 8 units and themes, each with a short lecture and then course material that works through and explains the significance of some of Bonhoeffer's most important writings. Our themes for the course include Christ the Center, When Faith Demands Action, The Life of the Church, The Cost of Discipleship, Life in Community, Discernment in Troubled Times, The Ethics of Conspiracy, and Who is Jesus Christ for us today. The goal of the course is to help you have a better understanding of Bonhoeffer's life and theology so that you can reflect on its meaning and make real application for your own life of discipleship. In other words, we're studying Bonhoeffer so each of us can draw closer to Jesus. And who am I? I'm Dr. Brant Himes, your guide, and I'm very humbled and excited to bring you our course now on Bonhoeffer and the Life of Discipleship.